This video presentation is all about to understand the compound interest.
Hi! Another video na naman. Another understanding na malalagay sa utak natin. Our discussion for today is all about the compound interest. Makinig upang may matutunan. Compound interest, or also called compounding interest. Okay. Interest calculated on the initial principal, which also includes all the accumulated interest of the previous period of a deposit or loan. When calculating our compound interest, the number of its compounding periods make a significant difference because of the methods. So we have here our formula on how to solve the compound interest. So our formula is A equals T multiplied by 1 plus R divided by N and NT. So A is our amount, P were our principal, and R is the rate of the interest, and our N is the number of times per year, and NT is our time in a year. Okay, let's have some example. So our example number 1, 1,500 at 7% compounds annually for 3 years. When we see annually, okay, it's once only. Our formula is here. This one. All we need to do is to find our P, our R, and our N, and NT. So our P is our principal, which is 1,500. And our R is our rate of interest is 7%. When we solve our 7%, we should put it into decimal point 4. And our N is our 1 year, because she compounded once. That is our N. And our NT, our year of time, or our number of years, number of years is 3 years. 3. So, and multiply in our times of per year, which is 1 annually. So, let's solve it. Okay? So, sa una, gagawin natin is, isi-solve muna natin ang ating R at saka N. Kailangan muna natin hanapin ang ating R at saka N. No? Then, okay. So, we should bring down the principal, which is the 1,500. This one. Ito yung susunod. And, all we need to do is to divide our 0.07 divided by 1, and the result is 0.07. And 3 multiplied by 1 is the result is 3. So, we have the result here. Ito na. Next, all we need to do is to add our nasa gitna. Okay, nasa close open parenthesis. So, we should add the 1 plus 0.07 equals to 1.07. That's it. And put the 3 in. Okay. Now, need to do is to find the answer of, the answer of the 1.03 and multiply by 3. Okay. So, 1.07 times 1.07 times 1.07, and the result of that is this one. 1.225043. Okay. And the last one that we need to do is to multiply the 1,500 and the result of our 1.07. So, 1,500 times 1.22543 is the result is 1,837.56. So our amount in 3 years, our compounded interest in 3 years is 1,837.56. So that's it. Another example naman tayo. Okay, for the second example, we have the 18,000 at 9% compound this manually naman tayo for 6 years. When we use manually, dalawa siya. 2 times siya nangyayari. Twice. So, our formula, ganun pa rin. So, first that we need to do, we need to solve our R and N. Then, and the result is 0.09 divided by our 2, which is our, what we call this one? Time. Our times per year. Okay, that's it. Our 2. So, the answer of that is 0.045. Kung atin siya to solve cycle, maano ang result at saka kahit anong calculator pa yan. And 6 times 2 equals 12. This one. 6 times 2 equals 12, no? And all we need to do is to add our here, the center. Kailangan muna natin siya i-add. So, 1 plus 0.045 becomes 1.045 over 12. So, now, let's do the multiplication time. So, 1.045 is, ka-times natin siya ka 12 because she had the power of 12. So, 1.045 times 1.045 hantod sa 12 niya. Or, nandun na sa cycle, madadali na lang siya, itatype mo na lang, itatype mo na lang yung, nandun na yun sa cycle, makikita mo na kaagad, itatype mo na siyang 1.045 at saka over 12 niya. At doon lalabas yung result. So, the result of 1.045 over the 12, ka-12 siya, is 1.69, 58, 81, 43, 27, 7. So, all we need to do is to multiply it by our principal. And our principal is 8,000. So, 8,000 times 1.69, 58, 81, 43, 27, 7 is the result is 30,525.87. So, our compound interest in 6 years, eventually, is 30,525.27. That's it. Let's go for the last example. Okay, so let's have our last example. Okay, 21,000 at 13.6% compounded quarterly for 4 years. When we say quarterly, rather, ka-apat siya nangyari. So, our formula, ganun pa rin. All we need to do is to find our principal, our rate of interest, our time per year, as number per year. Okay, so our principal is 21,000, this one. And our rate of interest is 13.6%. So we should write it into decimal form. So we should 0.436, 136. And our N, which is the time per year, is compounded quarterly. Kaapat siya nangyari. And then our M is number per year is 4 years. And multiply with our time per year is 4. So let's solve it. All we need to do first is to solve our R at saka N. And then, divide it. 0.136 divided by 4, and the result is 0.034. And then, next we should multiply our NT, which is 4 times 4 equals 16. That's it. We have our 16. And then, we should next go to add our here in center. 1 plus 0.034, so the result is 1.034 over 16. And we should bring down the 21,000. Yes. And then next to do is we should get the answer of this one. We should multiply it by the over 16. 1.034 multiplied by 16, or 1.034 times 1.034. And the result of that is 1.70, 73, 73, 82, 88, and 1. And we should multiply it in the last part. 21 times 1.70, 73, 73, 82, 81, 1. And the result could be 35,854.85. So our compound interest for 4 years is 35,854.85. That's it. That's the end of our discussion about compound interest. I hope you have learned. And don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos and information that you want to know. So that's it. See you for another next video. Paalam!